My sister.
Saying Yenaka genius music by Tsonga, the King of Fluff. Mayengani. Uchungo fellow. Benuchuin. Anyone was expecting an album in 2018, forget it. Those 3 songs, that's all you're getting. The album was never ready. Benny does not have a plan. He has run out of steam. This Walabeka will inspire. He has done all he can do. But he changed the game. Look up, whatever the lyrics are. That shit changed the game. The way Inga mindfucker his fans. That's why he was able to fill up Guyana Stadium and go even overboard. Because there were more than 20,000 people. It's just the record says 19,000, but yeah. So Svara changed the game in terms of his religious following. We've never had an artist like this. Bob Tinet came in, Bob Paul came in, Pain, yeah, we've seen them, but religious following, Ambition doesn't have this type of, when niggas want to be you. What Benny has is crazy and powerful. However, Mjita has not been able to exploit it to its maximum. That's the truth. He could do better. Benny should be having cell phone endorsements by now. Car dealerships. This guy has too much traction. But the other thing is that because so long that who follows him, gang and off. So not buying power market diner, but one of Benanga Scotty to put his following into proper numbers, into proper demographics that are able to sell. So that's the other thing Tsonga that is killing Tsonga musicians. With great talent but fucked up managers. And Gangele at the artist that I want to so you figure out if the man has millions, he must know how to make more money. But the truth of the matter, managers are not taking Tsonga musicians forward. They are just wasting their time. Russian army, their steam got fucked up because of management. Angalasa, management. Dr. Thomas Chauke's low income in terms of exploiting his brand is because of management. Mayengani could have filled up Guyana Stadium with his second album, but he didn't do that. He goes in and does it on his 7th album. It does not make sense. I mean, Malembela and Wanoka, but don't be a stronger. This nigga shook the Kuraba song. And the man was so powerful that he gave us 2 classics. Oh, Mr. President Mayengani, the first version of President Mayengani got leaked. Then he released another version, and still it was a classic. But here he is at his weakest. He can fill up a stadium. What about at his strongest? In management. You see, with Joe does not know how to manage artists because why? Osborne just won with all the dudes that have left him. That is not a good sign when people leave you and you are losing stars back to back. But Mayengani, he really needs to figure out what's what. Because the cracks are starting to show. You can fool people for so long. You can distract us with Gombalis. First, the Rangi Gomba Caroline. Maybe Caroline Tsukutsuk. I had gone. Say, Jana, we are England. Tsukutsuk, we are Al RC Marangasa Bele. Sounds like it was Master Asoshango. So, we in London and Monili. Hambotega RC Morisa London. Unika gang in London. You don't win boards. Maybe sweet way. We've had better versions. Joe, we know, can mix better for Mayengani than anyone else. We know Benny at his prime. We know Benny lokare na quality ya Benny yileka Limpopo Poison. Outside Limpopo Poison, Benny has never given us any quality work that is a fact. While under Joe, Benny was able to deliver. Prince Rangani. Because why? Joe knows how to mix hits. That's why Joe is strong at. Kambi Joe does not know how to manage artists. Joe barandabusha no. Joe honestly via kui. Joe have never relax. Mara Joe bala udu. Now when I must talk about that album. Never ready. Honestly no I will miss it away. Ukhom psychology in your team. You just lost Mr. Post. There's too much pressure. And Ali in similar to the man Ngoma Bzela Joe. Yeah, it caught fire on the streets, but we know gang just wants to dance. It's never about artistry, it's never about maintaining a standard, it's never about pushing the envelope. Gang yala ku general with the dollar bzal. Yala music loads us as fave, locals fave, it's again, like gang it's again. That's how it works. Music what you just give people what they want. However, this has impact 10 years later, a decade later. Because why? Setting a wrong standard for our music. We're dumbing down our music just to cater for Gengele Bzalim, who is not really paying top dollar for your music. Your sales are down, your attendance is down. You guys on your own cannot fill up a stadium or stand on your own. So already that means these guys that you are dumbing down the standard of Tsonga music for have no value. They are not really spending money on you. They want to consume what you are offering for free. So that's where Majida need better managers who are going to look at entertainment like from let's rebuild. We need more infrastructure. We need more artists to think outside the box. Highly so involved. Beni aims like a deal of releasing his albums. Because the sad part of it, the guy with the craziest following we've seen, I don't know, and forever, cannot even sell 5,000 copies, which is weird. The guy who sold 20,000, who filled up a stadium, Shiba over capacity, which the police feel they need to investigate. He can't sell 5,000, that dude. How? The mathematics does not add up. The logic does not add up. Benu's got the journey to fill up a stadium, but he can't sell 5,000 copies. Swala kui. Stadium. That is the other big question. Our artists are scared to host events are one man. They don't host similar shows. The opening they don't host intimate shows on that level. They are always getting booked, and once the bookings go down, they die out. We've seen this with all the legends. They were relevant at some point, and then people stopped fucking with them because Akula move on. And they are thinking the mass market, which is mainly dominated by the new age, will mess with them, but their music is too irrelevant. Yeah, but anyway, Joe Benny miss. Thomas Chao can miss.